The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 comes with a ton of extra accessory feet. These are not normally found included with the machine, so I'm excited to show you what some of them are. In this video, I want to highlight the hammer foot, and the hammer foot has that nice little scroll in the front of its toes, and we are going to link over to our Husqvarna Viking hammer foot video. So if you want to click right up here, go watch how I've taught you how to add the fabric to the foot and get started so you can get a nice hem. Now, in our Stitching Cosmos online course, which I know we've been talking about, these techniques, there's over 25 different techniques spread out over all these blocks. No embroidery. So on this particular block and this technique, we feature it in partnership with a gathering foot. So this strip alone was just, a normal, 3-inch wide strip originally. Well, on one side of it, we used the hammer foot to put that cute little soft turned under edge, because it turns the fabric 2 times, so there's not a raw edge. If you've seen that on the hems of a dress, a prom dress, curtains, this is the foot, and we want to show you how to use it. The width of the final hem is actually the width of the cutout that you see below. So see how wide that is? That would be how wide your finished turned edge is. So this would be for something really, really thick, so we're talking nice medium to lightweight fabrics. Use a straight stitch and away you go. So on this quilt, because the idea is high contrast, I actually use black thread to have it pop so you could actually see the technique on that ruffled strip.